Everybody knows Tesla is a luxury car. And yeah, it's also the pride project of Elon Musk, the college dropout who literally redefined driving. But what you don't know is, Tesla has secret features that most owners don't even use. Here are 7 of my favorite Tesla secrets that'll blow your mind. First up, boombox mode. Your Tesla can talk or sing. Boombox mode lets you play anything you want through the car's external speaker. Music, silly sound effects, even custom audio. Suddenly, you're a moving concert. Next, dog mode. Got a furry friend waiting in the car? Flip on dog mode. The AC stays on and the touchscreen shows a message. My owner will be back soon, don't worry. It keeps tails wagging and people calm. Third, camp mode. Want to sleep in your Tesla? Camp mode transforms your car into a cozy hotel room, airflow, ambient lighting, even your favorite playlist. Recline, relax, and recharge, literally. Ever heard of Tesla Arcade? If you're stuck at a charging station, just launch the built-in games. Puzzle, racing, even shooting games. Play with the touchscreen or a controller. Who needs an Xbox when you've got a Tesla? Number 5, emissions mode. Yes, this is real. Pick any seat and trigger a fart sound, immediate prank power. There's even a timer so you can surprise your friends. Elon really went there. Number 6, ludicrous mode. Ready for rocket launch acceleration? Hold on, because Model S can hit 0 to 60 in just under 2 seconds. That's faster than most supercars. Last but not least, sentry mode. Your own invisible security guard. When someone gets close, cameras flick on and the screen flashes a red recording warning. Thieves? Not today. Tesla is more than just a car. It's a tech masterpiece. Which of these 7 secrets shocked you the most? Tell me in the comments and don't forget to hit subscribe for more Tesla hacks and tech drops.